Hi, my friends. I'm going to show you how I make this delicious okra stew. And one of the reasons why I love to eat okra is because it is very forgiving and very easy to make. In addition, okra contains lots of vitamin C. Did you know that? It contains vitamin A and vitamin K. Vitamin K helps to clot your blood when you need it. Now let's go to my kitchen and I'll show you how I made this easy okra stew. So I steamed my smoked turkey because that's what I chose for today. The reason is because smoked turkey brings out this distinct flavor that I like. And then of course my crayfish. Okra loves crayfish. Hello. Okra loves crayfish. So another reason why I like okra is because it is very low in calories. Now if your goal is to maintain and manage your weight, then okra will be your go-to stews. And of course, if you're pairing it up with any swallow, make sure your swallow is also low in calories. As we all know, one of the ways to achieve your weight management goal is to make sure you check the number of calories that you take, your daily calorie intake. Okay. Another reason why I love to eat okra is because okra contains lots of antioxidants. Now, antioxidants, they help to fight against cancer, growth, stuff like that. And okra is very rich in them. So, eating okra will keep you in a very good position. It helps also to control blood sugar. Various studies have shown that, okra, will help to manage your sugar. Uh, we help, like, it will not promote a sugar spike. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so what I did here is, after steaming my meat, I added my smoked catfish, which gives a lot of rich flavor, and I had two sets of textures of the okra. So one was finely blended or chopped, like I use my food processor, and the other one was sparsely chopped. I like to do it this way because I like the different kind of textures that the okra give. The slimy one, and of course I want to kind of chew it a little bit to give me that feeling and to remind me that I'm eating vegetable. Talking about being vegetable, okra is vegetable, so please be very kind in exposing it to heat. You don't want to heat it for too long. Okay, and okra also contains folate, and folate helps pregnant women. Folate helps to reduce the risk of neural tube effects. So 1 cup of okra a day for the expectant mothers will really help them to be in a good position so that their fetus, does not go through any kind of neural tube defects. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, click that red button that shows subscribe, and the bell sign will show, and click the bell sign that shows all. That way, anytime I upload a video, you will get a notification. So here I paired my okra with cauliflower fufu, like I was telling you, because of its low calorie content. Also, in order to achieve your goal, pair it up with a low calorie fufu. This okra was super yummy. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. It was so yummy, just the way I wanted it. Do you like eating okra stew? What do you pair with your okra stew whenever you prepare it? Tell me in the comment section. Let's share knowledge. How else do you prepare your okra? How else do you like to eat your okra? I know some people like to chop it sparingly and then season it and bake it. Ooh, that sounds delicious too. And yeah, however you want to prepare your okra, but add okra as part of your menu because it is very, very nutritious to the body. Remember, eat well, stay well, eat healthy. Your body is what you feed it with. I love okra. I love this okra stew was the bomb. Like, I now went to I got myself really comfortable to, to really download this okra stew that I made. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. Okay. Until then, I will see you in another video. I'll just allow you to enjoy the way I enjoyed my okra stew. Yes, you are welcome. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like. You never can tell who you'll be helping. Bye bye.